Okay, people, this is Hudson. I just want to show you what I've drawn. I promise you that I'm gonna do drawings of how this site looks like. So, in front of my screen here, you can see that I've tried to sort of draw, sort of an illustration of how the whole thing or all the walls gonna look like after the completion. So, what I have here in front of my screen, this is sort of the first returning wall, just as you enter from this gate that is going to be here, and this idea is where you'd like it to be sort of a parking. Alright, so this is the new wall, this section here, this is going to be the new wall. Alright, currently it has collapsed, so this is what we're going to rebuild, and this is probably how it's going to look like after completion. Right, so this platform here is gonna be the parking, and probably I'm gonna do some further drawings here that we're gonna put some barriers, like sort of balustrades, that is gonna actually sort of protect. And if you're driving in through this section, you can park here. Let's say at night, you can't see what is beyond this slope here, so the barriers are actually gonna sort of function as like sort of to stop from actually driving further. Okay, so that's the first wall, right? And then this is sort of a staircase, just sort of some illustration, stairs, right, to go down to the main house. So this section here, that's where we're gonna sort of excavate, moving like half a meter, 1.5 meters inward, and then we're going to excavate the bank. And then that's how you're gonna actually sort of building a new wall here, so it's gonna sort of look like a L-shaped wall. Alright, this section is gonna get retained, and this is gonna be all the new wall. Alright, this is where the boundary ends. Alright, so yeah, so like yesterday I measured it should be 13.4 meters. So this one is gonna be a bit high. It should be I measured the height starting on, it should be 3.4 from foundations. From the footing, it should go about 3.1 meters. Right, we might need to involve an engineer. It's actually compulsory. We are complying with the rules, with the laws that any structure that exceed 2 meters in height, especially a low force line or a retaining wall, should involve an engineer. Right, but this one is probably gonna be I measured it. It should be like 2.5. Right, but you also need probably to involve an engineer as well. So I'm still working on the drawings. The last drawing that I'm gonna do is probably for the backyard section, where we're gonna have to sort of build that terraced retaining wall, right? But if we get all done, it's gonna be a lot of financial resources, to make all this come, to make all this possible. I was suggesting that we should probably start with this wall here, which I'm gonna label it as wall 1 from the front yard, and we do this for the time being. Okay, but if you're prepared, we can just get everything done once. That is entirely up to you. Alright, but to me this looks like a very urgent, this wall here and this other one. Well, this one there's already been sort of erosion, it's collapsing, there's been a landslide, and the whole sewer pipe is exposed, just like as we saw in the videos. Right, okay, let me just, this video is getting longer. I'm just gonna stop it for now, but anyway, thank you so much for watching.